The Buick Encore key fob uses a CR232 3-volt coin cell battery. To open the fob, locate the seam on the back. Insert a small flathead screwdriver into the seam. Gently pry the case open, avoiding excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, note the orientation of the old battery with positive side up before removing it. Identifying the correct battery type is crucial. Using a mismatched battery like CR2025 can cause malfunctions. Insert the new CR032 battery into the fob, ensuring the polarity matches the original battery's orientation, positive side up. Once the new battery is securely in place, carefully snap the key fob case back together until it is fully closed. Test the functionality of the fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and remote start buttons to confirm it is working correctly. If the fob doesn't sync, consult your Buick owner's manual for reset instructions or visit a dealership. Remember to recycle the old battery at a certified recycling center to comply with environmental regulations.